PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं, पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing our third and final aircraft of this 3-set bundle, which is the PIA A310 Hyderabad City of Perfume livery made by JC200. So let's get into it. Alright, so the box is the same as usual. We have our Airbus A310 logo, PIA logo, the PIA aircraft, and then our 3 different tails, as we will be unboxing the third one, the City of Hyderabad. Same as we can see on the back as well, our same box design, the PIA logo, our 3 different aircrafts, top and side view, and then our specifications of the A310, as it is a JC Wings model, not an in-flight, JC Wings 200, and then we'll be unboxing the City of Hyderabad livery. So here is our box. We'll take a look inside. Grab this. Very beautiful. So in all our 1 to 200 scale models, we have our main landing gear down, and then our main landing gear up with 2 sticks for the engine fan blades, and then our stand as well. And then we'll take out our model. What an amazing livery. Alright, so we'll put our main gears on, and then we'll take an up close review of this beautiful aircraft. Alright, so we'll start with our main nose gear, and then our right gear, and then our left one. Alright, so these ones do rotate, as you guys can see, left and right. These ones don't rotate up and down, but the gears do move on all of them. But here it is. Alright, so we'll put it on the stand to view it on how it will look while displayed. And look at that. Very gorgeous. A beautiful livery on this aircraft. Alright, so we have our main details as usual with our cockpit windows, the main PIA logo in Urdu, our PIA name with the green stripe in between the body. Our two different colors, we have our white and then a bit of a beige color. And then our registration on the bottom of the nose gear, Alpha, Papa, Bravo, Delta, Zulu. So on the nose gear we have our two last digits of the registration. And obviously we have our details on the engine, our main doors, windows, and then our livery as well, which is the Hyderabad City of Perfume livery. We have our registration, Alpha Papa Bravo Delta Zulu, with the Pakistan flag, the Pakistan name, and then our gorgeous livery on the tail. So we'll give our engine fan blades a bit of a test as well, see if they move, and they do. And as you guys can also see, our engine cowling has a perfect design as well. And then we'll give it a try on our right hand side as well. So here's our close-up look of the livery name, City of Hyderabad, with the City of Perfume, with our design here in blue, our registration, and then our Pakistan logo and name. So on this aircraft, I believe they were made with the livery on the 747. I can guarantee the 777, ATR, A310 as well. I think that's pretty much it. I don't believe they use it on the 200 ERs, but I know on the main fleet of PIA at the time they had this livery on it as well. So I think the colors of the desert was Karachi, and this one in blue as well for the 777, and then same with the 747-300. So here we have our beautiful tail design. As you can see, we have the PIA logo in Urdu on the tail, and then our unique design on here, very much detailed. Try to zoom in a bit to show you guys much more closer. No doubt, very unique design. So as we make our way to the back, we have our detailed exhaust design, the same livery on the side, on the tail, the Pakistan name, Hyderabad City of Perfumes, our registration, cockpit windows. Here we have our cargo doors. On the top of the wing, we have our registration on the top right, very much detailed. As always, our antennas as well, with the beacon light on the top. And then our same one stripe PIA logo name, and then our PIA in Urdu design. So we'll give it a look underneath as well. I'll show you guys. So here we have our gear, our design underneath the engines, our gear. Here we have our scale stand to place it inside, our beacon light gem, and then obviously our fine details and then our stripe, white, beige, dark green. And yeah, a very beautiful livery. Alright everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing of the special PIA Hyderabad livery in 1 to 200 scale. I definitely have many more aircrafts in this livery that I would love to show you. Obviously this is at least 1 to 2% of my fleet collection, so we're just getting started. Our next video will be featuring the PIA 1 to 200 scale 777s. And then we'll make our way with the 747s with the same liveries. Both I'll have, I have very much all of them in the metal in-flight and JC wings, but also we have it in some in Hogan, our plastic models as well. And then we'll get into our older aircrafts with the Super Constellation, 707, 720s, and all that amazing stuff. So make sure to like, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure, let me know which aircraft you guys want to see next, and I'll try to get it out to show you guys soon. Make sure to like and always subscribe to notifications, as I will be posting daily with new models for you guys to see. Alright, thank you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoyed, and then we'll see you in the next one. Take care.